Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Mini Countryman SE exclusive. This car comes with a 1.5 petrol engine and the hybrid system, which is a 10 kilowatt system, which can provide up to a 31 mile range just on the battery. The overall fuel consumption by Mini is up to 156 miles to the gallon, so amazing fuel consumption there. The insurance group is 26 and the car's covered just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the light white, and as you can see, it looks in really good condition. I really do like it against all the black trim over the car as well. The first owner chose over £4,400 worth of factory options, which included the Comfort Pack, the Comfort Plus Pack and the Navigation Pack. As we have a look inside, you've got the full leather seats there, which are also heated. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre with the satellite navigation that I've already mentioned, as well as DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And you've got this nice carbon trim there, which runs through the dashboard as well. Onto the door card, on the driver's side, you've got your electric mirror switch, which is folding, and also your 4 electric window controls. As you open the rear doors, you have good access there into the back, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents, as well as 2 USB ports there in the centre. And it's good to see the car's still got the original Mini carpet floor mats as well. As we open the tailgate, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have your charging cable as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and also the reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.